In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevrolet CK key fob. Now, you probably have this, a similar device to this, but with only two buttons, probably something that looks like that. There are a couple different layouts of this device. Don't worry if you have the one in the thumbnail, or if you have one that looks like mine, the battery's the same and the process to open it up and replace it is the same. So just follow along with me here, and this is also going to work regardless of whether you have the CK 1500, 2500, or 3500. And this is a super easy process. It'll take under 5 minutes, and the only thing you'll need is a coin and one of these CR2032 batteries. If you'd like to get one of those batteries online, I will put a link down in the description that'll take you over to Amazon where you can get this particular battery for just a couple of bucks. So check that out if you're interested, and then let's begin. First step is to find on the bottom side, the bottom right of the device, there is this little indentation here, this little slot in the plastic. We're going to take our coin. You could also use a flathead screwdriver here. I think the coin works better though, so just pop that in, and once it's in there, give a twist, and the device will come open very easily. Now here you could just pull the battery out with your fingernail. Doesn't really work for me, so I'm going to grab a flathead screwdriver. You could use like a pen or pencil, something that you have lying around. There's just this little indentation right here. That's going to help us get under the battery. So just go into that area, get under the battery, and you'll just be able to pry it up. Comes out very easily. You can now dispose of your old battery, take a new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in here, make sure the positive side that has the plus sign and the text is going face down. So pop that in there, face down, and now we can just reattach the two halves of this device. So squeeze them together, and once you've done that, you are finished. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, feel free to let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like, which helps us out a lot. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this channel. We have video tutorials for the devices of pretty much every make or model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, which is fobbattery.com.